Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your order history on Temu. If you want to view your previous purchases on Temu, you can access your order history directly from your account. So to get started, firstly open the Temu app on your device and make sure you have signed into your account already. And next is you need to tap the U icon in the bottom. There is a profile icon usually located in the bottom. And from your profile page, you need to tap your orders in the top. And under this order here, to view your order history, here you'll see a list of your current and past orders along with the order status, purchase dates, and total amounts. And you can tap any order to open its detail. From there you can view the product, your purchase dates, and total amounts. And that is it. That's how you can find your order history on Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.